Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make the new channel in Telegram. Alright, it's so simple. You can open the Telegram apps and go to chat and tap on the icon in the top right corner and select new channel and click create channel and alright, you can put your channel name here, for example, and you can put your description for your channel and click next and set public or private. I'm just going to select public and make the public link for other people will be able to find and join your channel. For example, alright, and I think it's disabled for strike saving content. Just click next and select your contacts to join your channel. For example, yeah, alright, click next and your new channel has been created. Alright, that's how to make new channel in Telegram. This is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.